Hi, in this video, I'm gonna implement an app open app to an Android Studio project, and I'm gonna use Google Ad SDK version 19.7.0. I'm gonna follow the AdMob instruction, and you will see some of the codes are deprecated. In the beginning, I'm just using the codes, whatever they are. And in the end, after we run and tested the ad, I'm gonna replace the deprecated part with the new codes. Okay, as you can see, I already created a project in the Android Studio. In project level of build Gradle file, the Google is referenced in all projects repositories. In app level of build Gradle file, I already copy and pasted the dependency of Google Ad, and I sync the project. In Android manifest file, I copy and pasted the metadata tag. This is our main activity. We don't need to initialize the SDK here. And this is our first activity. I just made this hello world bigger. So I'm going back to AdMob website, and for the beginning, we should create a new Java class, and we should call it my application. So I go back to the Android Studio, I go to the Java folder. Here in the main activity, I right click, select the new and Java class, and I create new class and call it my application. I press the enter and create this class. Then, as you can see, this class is extended to the application, so we copy this extends application and paste it here, like this. To insert and import the required class, I'm use Alt and Enter, and I import this class. Then we should create on create method into my application class and initialize the SDK here. So I just copy these lines and paste in my application class like this. I'm gonna remove the unnecessary lines, and I'm using Control Alt and L to rearrange the code, and using Alt and Enter to insert and import the required classes like this. Then we should add this line to our Android manifest file. I copy this one, go to the Android manifest. I'm coming under the application tag and paste it here. As you can see, we receive an error because this part is not our package name. We should replace this part with our package name. So I copy this package name and I paste it here. Okay, it turns to green. It means all okay. I close the Android manifest and I go back to the instruction. Okay, now I have to create another class and call it App Open Manager. So I'm coming to Android Studio. I go to Java folder, right click, new Java class, and create the class. And I call it App Open Manager. Press the enter to create this class. Then we should copy and paste all this line into our class. So I start from these imported classes. I'm coming under the package name and paste them here. Then I'm gonna copy and paste all these lines like this inside the class. Good. Okay. Then we should go back to my application class and create this variable. I go to my application. I create this variable. Also, I have to copy and paste this line into onCreate method after initialize the SDK. So I'm coming under initializing the SDK and paste this one here. Good. Okay. Then we go to App Open Manager class. For the first, we should fill our fetch method with this line. This is our App Open Manager. This is our fetch method. And I copy all these lines and paste inside the fetch add method like this. And I'm using Alt and Enter to insert the required classes. I'm gonna remove this one. Okay. As you can see, some of the methods are deprecated. I just leave it like this for now. Then we go to the instruction, and as you can see, we should implement this application.activity life cycle callback to our class. So I copy this part. This is our class, and we coming here and we paste it here. As you can see, we receive an error because we already missed some method. To do that, I can select this one, use Ctrl and I, and as you can see, the missing methods are selected here. I'm just leaving it like this and press OK. The missing method added automatically at the bottom of our class, and the error is going away. Okay, they are our method here, and we should add this line to onActivity started method and onActivity resume. So I go to App Open Manager class at the bottom. OnActivity started, I paste it here. OnActivity resume here. Okay, this is this part is red because we also should copy and paste this variable in our class. So I'm coming here under our class and I paste it here, and the error is going. Also, inside onActivity destroyed, we should copy and paste this one like this. Okay, as you can see, in our constructor, we should add this line. So I copy this one. I go back to App Open Manager. I'll go to the top. I will find the constructor. This is our constructor. I make a new line and paste it here. Okay. Also, we're gonna add this Boolean variable to our class. I go at the top here. I'm adding this Boolean variable, and I copy the rest and I paste it in our app open manager class. Maybe under constructor is a good place, like this. Also, we have another deprecated code here, which we're gonna replace it later on. Okay. As you can see, here we still have a missing dependency. To get rid of this error, we should copy and paste these dependencies to our app level of build Gradle file. So I copy all. I'm coming to app level of build Gradle file, and I paste them here and sync the project. Okay, it's synced. As you can see, there are two suggestions here because they are old. To get rid of this suggestion, I have to update the version and sync again. Good. Still, I have a suggestion. I'm just using Alt and Enter and add this line here, and everything's okay. I close this one, and this error is going away. Okay, we have another implementation in our app open manager. This is a lifecycle observer. So I copy this lifecycle observer with this comma. I'm coming to app open manager class. Here after implements, I make a space and paste it here. Good. Then I have to add this line in our constructor. So I copy this one. This is our constructor. I make a new line and paste it here, like this. Also, I copy this one and paste it under our constructor, like this. Good. So we should make sure every time we launch the app, the ad we show is not expired and is still valid. So we create this time variable, and every time we load the ad, we fill this load time variable to use it for checking our ad is still valid or is expired. So I copy this one, and after loading the ad, I fill this value by the current time. So here, this is on app open loaded. I'm adding this line here. So as soon as our ad is loaded successfully, the time will be saved. Here in this value. Okay, I also should copy and paste these lines to our app open manager class to check how long ago we loaded the ad and check the validity of the ad. So I already created this one, so I only transfer this one to here. I replace it with this return, like this. Okay, good. Everything should be ready. Let's test the app and see what we get. Okay, this is our app, and as you can see, it cannot show the ad because it's still in the memory. There is no ad to show. So I just go back, go outside, and this is our app. I'm gonna tap on this icon on started. Okay, this is our ad, and as you can see, it's coming up. So I click on this continue, and I go to the app again. Let's try again. I'm using this one to go out. Click, open. This is the ad. Continue to add. I go inside the app. Okay, good. I also can add a tag here in on app open loaded to see when app is loading. So I'm adding this log.d like this, log tag, and I just write app open add loaded like this. Good. So now this is the time to replace the deprecated code. As you can see, this part is deprecated. So simply we're coming here, press the enter, make a new line, and instead of on app open add loaded, we're gonna use another method. I'm using on add loaded like this. I select this one, press the enter, and I'm adding this new method here and transfer all this code from this method to the new one. So this is deprecated. We don't need it anymore. I'm just select all this part and delete. Here, as you can see, we don't have this add. Instead of that add, we're using app open add. So I copy this one and paste it here like this. And instead of on app open add failed to load, we're gonna use another method. Again, I'm coming here. I'm using on add failed to load. I'm selecting this one, and as you can see, a new method is created automatically. I'm coming here. There is no special code to add. I'm just adding a log here. Maybe I can copy and paste it and just change the tag. Loading app open add fail like this. Good. Also, we have another deprecated code for showing the ad. Here, this one is also deprecated. So to use the new one, we only need to remove this full screen content callback like this. And as you can see, in the new method, we just pass current activity. But this full screen content callback will be deactivated And as you can see in the comment, it's written never use. So to register this one, I'm coming here, press enter, make a new line. I'm just writing app open add, same as what we have here, dot set full screen content callback here, and I copy this one and paste it here. So easily, in the beginning, we set this full screen content callback to our app open add, and after that, we show it. So instead of write everything in one line, we split it in 2 different lines. And now we don't have any deprecated code anymore. And let's run the app. Also, maybe we can clean these imported classes. I'm using Control Alt Shift and L. Select all these ticks and checks and click on run. As you can see, our project is cleaned now. Okay, let's test the app. Okay, as you can see, it cannot show the ad because it's not loaded yet, but here we loaded an ad. So go back, run the app again. This is the ad. Continue to the app, and this is our app. Just a few points I wanted to mention about this kind of ad. The first one, if you go out and clear the recent application like this, it will not show the ad anymore, because by closing the app like this, we're gonna remove the ad or app completely from the memory. So when we run the app again like this, we don't have any ad in the memory to show. So this show will appear only when we minimize the app like this. And something else, as you can see in suggested code, I will show you. Let me stop this one. Okay, it's already stopped. The validity of loaded ad in the memory is only 4 hours. If the loaded ad is more than 4 hours, it returns false here for this value, and you should load another ad. So it means if you launch the app after 4 hours, you will not get any ad on your app. Okay, this is all I wanted to talk about app open ad. Hope you like this video and enjoy it. Please, if you find it helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.